Jam. And yes, this is my voice for real. I'm sorry I haven't been too shy, and I think I should be really talking to you. Anyways, let's get started. I was here with one person, and I was at her line sale, and unfortunately, it doesn't allow me to trade. Which she said that, and I think she... Too bad I can't scam, and I never will. Guess I'm looking pretty rare today. I done that by trading. I mean trading, not training. I got tongue twist. And what is that saying right here? I've been concerned. The diet of koalas consists as main... Okay, I was too slow. And today I'd be showing how I trade items. So let's go into this video. So technically I asked people like this. Trading, give me anything you want to give me. Yes, I'm a secret YouTuber here, guys. Yes, my name in Animal Jam is Mellow Arctic Paws. I'm a new jammer. And yeah, I made like a fake Gmail account so I could log in. And by the way, I'm only 8 years old. Who is very good at drawing. Okay, also a shout out to Shine because she's my very best subscriber. I'm sorry, I think that music is too loud, but I'll leave it on. Don't think you can hear it, right? Well, I just gotta keep going until someone accepts me. Come on, I know I'm not alone, because I got you guys up there. I guess if people like don't want to trade me, I like go to a different place. Why are you howling here? It's not even nighttime. And don't dance. That confuses me. What animal are you? Oh, you're a red panda. Oh, instead of red, you're blue. So I'm gonna like look at people's card. This person looks scary. Oh, I hate when this happens. I'm triggered. I'm so triggered. I thought I broke the game. Rocket hair, no thanks. That's best space there. Oh, look at. Also, I got the bone tail from trading a lot. And if I have a buddy, I would choose rares over friends. Yeah, I've seen that. It makes me sad to see that. And like, someone made one. Okay, link to her channel or his. Can't tell if it's boy or girl. The channel is called King Yo the Goldfish. Also, that was a skit, so it wasn't like real. spoiling it for you guys. Yeah, I have. No, okay, I'm not sick. I'm fine. I think I have like too much stuff, so I'm gonna recycle it after I get traded. Let me see who that is. Her name is No. Okay, sure. Oh gosh, I'm lagging. Okay, it's time to recycle, which I definitely need to. I bet I can't find any items because I'm lagging so bad. Yeah, I actually don't want this anymore. Right here. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh my gosh, lag. The lag is real so badly. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. And I definitely don't need this. And this. And this. But I'm definitely like the butterfly. And oh, sorry. Just like the final countdown song. It's the final. Okay. Nope, no, not at the sapphire. What? The sapphire shop. And now I'm gonna go play some games. Actually, I'm gonna be very terrible at. Cause it's gonna da 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 da. Get dressed. Yeah, I totally suck at get dressed. So I'm gonna see this. What? Yeah. Definitely getting this one right here. So that's where they get the plushes? Who did I get? Ah, that scares me! Gosh, okay. This is like the best thing ever. I could never be so happy. But why is it going down? That's sad. Definitely gonna go right here. Yeah, I don't get anything. Come on! You're being unfair! That's not nice. Right here again. Nope, nothing. Got something in the back. Who will I get? Nope, I got nothing. And I got a monkey. Which my bestie would definitely love, but too bad she doesn't play. here. My gosh, this is not fair. Could I just get a fox? Look, I got a bear. Never mind, it's a tiger. Yes, I'm gonna do a yard sale. Yes. Best thing ever. Aww. It's so freaking hard. It is like big. Let me just get a toy. Yes. What is that? It looks adorable. Aww. Go for it again. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay in that spot forever. That is the adorableest thing I have ever seen. Ah, guess I have to go somewhere else. Like the back is so lucky. There. You can't hide from me. Give me that bunny. The bunny. Why won't you let me go more forward? Hey.